Welcome back on our arcade explosion creation effect. So we can see how our explosion actually looks right now. We have the circle exploding, and after that we have our triangles going from it. So what we can see is that these triangles are coming out of it too soon. We need to set start delay to 0.5 maybe, so the triangles come after the explosion happens. So this looks pretty better right now. And next thing we can improve about this particle system is we can change color of this trail. We can select this trail and we can change color over lifetime. So we can also set color to be any different or anything else. So we can set it to be gradient from this gradient, and we're gonna select it to be this color, maybe, I don't know. Okay, we can select it to be this. We're just gonna drag it where we want it to be, and we're gonna simulate it. Okay, so it's disappearing after some time right now. And we can also increase speed of this to be maybe simulation speed to be 2, so this happens quick, right? Okay, and that's pretty much it for this creation of particle system. Just keep in mind that every time you create a particle system, you need to create a step for every particle system. So regarding our particle system, we have start explosion at first that happens, which is right now a triangle for the reason I set it to be a triangle. So we have our core explosion that happens, and after the core explosion we have past effect of this explosion that's also circle. And after everything happens, after 0.5 seconds, there happens to be triangle sub-emitter effect, which is followed by trail, which gives much better look for this. So thank you for watching a lot. I hope you liked it, and see you in next lecture.